and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to see what's in the box. We're unboxing Glisten Glow's Advent box. It is a 12 Days of Christmas Advent box. Today's January 4th, and I just did not get around to doing this the way that it's supposed to be done. It would be great to start with day 1, which is what I'm showing you right now. It is Oh Holy Night, day 1. From the 12 Days of Holiday Advent 2020 Advent box. You know, in a perfect world, it would have been great to open this on day 1, swatch it, and then post pictures to the group. I completely failed at all of that. I decided to do an unboxing, but I wanted to wait until after everyone had done what they wanted to do in the group, so I wasn't doing a spoiler alert, which some people hate. I happen to like. This is Holly Jolly Charlotte. Oh my goodness. Holly Jolly Christmas. Sorry. And this is day 2. I really like this color. In person, it's a little less tomatoey, a little more pinky. My camera is picking it up a little more tomatoey. This is day 3, which is a base coat. I really love all her items. They're amazing. If I'm not mistaken, this is actually a sticky base coat. Day 4 is Hanukkah Blessing. It's beautiful. It actually has a lot of red, blue, silver, and white glitters in here. Actually can't wait to wear this one. Super pretty. Blue was never my favorite, but I'm really leaning towards loving it these days. Silver Bells is day 5. Jam-packed glitter bomb. Completely beautiful. It's got this beautiful purpley shimmer in the background, but it at first glance it looks like a silver glitter bomb. Silent Night is day 6. And look at all of that sparkle. Ooh, love it. So pretty. So pretty. Baby, It's Cold Outside. Day 8. I cheated and I opened up some of the boxes so it'd be faster. I've not swatched any of these yet. Baby, It's Cold Outside, day 8. Beautiful silver holographic. It's got a light blue shimmer to it. Hope you don't mind. I'm kind of doing this quickly so we can get through the whole box and you can get on with your day. Sometimes I like to watch long videos and sometimes I like them short. This is Jingle Bell Rock, day 9. Ooh, I just love this one. It is such a gorgeous purple. I'm going to call that actually magenta. And it has pink and gold and green glitters in it. Super pretty. My day 7 is missing. I think that it's a top coat and I probably opened it and used it. And it's not here. Day 8 is Glitter Grabber. I actually already bought one of these. But it's perfect for if you can't stand it when you put on a glitter bomb and it's full of bumps and you want to pick at it. Use the glitter grabber. It's great. Let's say that 5 times fast. Day 11 is Little Drummer Boy. Ooh, it's so pretty. It's, what is that? It looks more blue on the camera. Mine looks a little slightly more purple, like a blurple. Beautiful holographic. And last but not least, we're already at day 12, which is hard to read. Maybe it's my eyes. It's Rockin' Around the Christmas Tree, day 12. And I really love day 12. Actually, I love this whole box. I'm going to say day 6, day 4, day 12, and day 9 are probably my most favorites. But I love the whole box. I love all of Glisten Glow's products. Her top coats are really great. I do use cuticulas a lot because they're scented, but my first indie top coat was Glisten Glow, and it has a soft spot in my heart. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Thanks for your support. We'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.